Enzo Ferrari said the XKE Roadster was the finest sports car he had ever seen to this day. Look it up. And this is it. What you're looking at is a 1969 Jaguar XKE Roadster Series 2 with a body-off restoration. Every nut and bolt has been replaced on this car, and we've used all English parts. We're going to show you the entire underneath. This is all stainless steel exhaust system. Every brakes, both front and rear, all the suspension has completely been replaced. After the body on, we've decided to put in all top quality racing parts.